star-shaped temple of Sri Ramalingeshwara at Kiriyakandi. Sri Ramalingeshwara temple has been constructed in between the end of 10th century and early 11th century of Kamanira by Chalukyas of Kalyani at Kiriyakandi. Kiriyakandi is also known as Nandikandi, near to Sadashivpet of Sangareddy district on the Mumbai Highway Road, 60 kilometers away from Hyderabad. Inscriptions at the temple clearly mentions that at the period of Tailapa II has erected the Deepastambha, but sources clearly mention that the Maha Shivalinga has been erected in Sanctum Sanctorum well before the rule of Ayyana I or Vikramaditya IV of Kalyani Chalukyas. In front of the temple, there is a four-sided written rock inscription available with the different figures carved on it. It mentions the place name as Kiriyakandi. Under the Kalyani Chalukyas, the subordinate rulers were engaged in the development of this temple. Tribhuvana Malla Vikramaditya, Abhinava Parvati Malla Devi, Vikramaditya VI, Someshwara II, etc. contributed much to the development of this temple according to the Kalyani Chalukyan inscriptions mentioned from 1026 AD to 1162 AD. Hindu temple architecture has many varieties of styles. Though the basic nature of the Hindu temple remains the same, with the essential features and inner sanctum, the Garbhagriha or womb chamber, where the primary murti or the image of a deity is housed in a simple bare cell. An unique sculpture depicts the figures of Brahma with three-headed, fourth head not visible, and four hands, Vishnu and Shiva, in the sitting posture at the top of the entrance of Garbhagriha. Temple design on the surface is in star shape, and at the end of the Vimana it has a lotus shape. Mandapa is enriched with four monolithic pillars fully sculpted with different designs, and 4 feet Mahanandi of black granite looks left side of the sanctum where Ganesh idol placed towards northern posture. 5 inscriptions have been found within the temple premises. All rock inscriptions clearly mentions in the scripts written in Kannada, Telugu and Sanskrit languages. 4.5 feet height and 4-sided written rock inscription having width of 75 cm shows one side of Shivalinga, the second side Nandi, third side Kalika goddess, and the fourth side. All these 3 can be seen. Over this rock edict, the official seal of Kalyani Chalukyas Dharma Chakra is also visible. On the Deepastambha, inscriptions have been depicted along with some figurines. Other than this, so many sculpted rocks of the kings of Kalyani Chalukyas, Naga idols, Shiva Lingas have been found. Sculptures of Natarajaswami and Mahishasura Mardhini also can be seen in front of the Garbhagriha. Unique feature of the temple architecture design, which erected on 4 monolithic sculpted pillars over which slab has been erected on the base of cross beam, which looks like lotus flower. A dancing woman figure also carved on the pillars. A tortoise is in a praying position in front of the Mahalinga in Garbhagriha, which was added in later period. Since it is an ancient temple, people believe by praying in this historic temple one can fulfill their desires and can get salvation. Nandikandi is yet another old fashioned village with traditions and rituals taking the forefront that has become popular in the tourist map due to the existence of Sri Ramalingeshwara Swami temple. Sri Ramalingeshwara Swami temple had been constructed in the shape of star. The Kalyani Chalukyas are the founders and designers of this temple construction. Apart from the unique shape and structure, the temple also displays exquisite sculpture in every corner of the temple. The pillars and the crevices also inherit the artistic sculptures. The four pillars in the central hall are Navaranga act as the significance of arts and crafts. The pillars are ornamented with the figures and forms from Hindu pantheon like those of Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu, Lord Shiva, Lord Narasimha Swami, Varaha Swami, Nataraja Swami, Devi Mahishasura Mardhani, Devi Saraswati Mata and Gajalakshmi. These pillars happen to interest the devotees more from the fact that these are carved out of single blocks of stone itself. The star-shaped skylight in the temple also amuses. This provides natural light on the temple during the daytime. The presiding deity of the temple is Lord Rameshwara Swami. The idol of the Lord is placed in the Garbhagruha of the temple. The idols of the Lord and his consort are made in beautiful black stone. Sculpture of Apsaras, Dikpalakas, Rakshasas, Matrumurti and Darpan warriors also accompany the Lord inside the temple. The other attractive feature of the temple is the huge Nandi bull that is placed in the temple interiors. The Nandi, made out of black stone, is also worshipped by devotees and is given equal importance as the presiding deity in the temple. This temple has a unique star shape of its structure and also the natural lighting in the daylight through the star shape stands as an amazing construction of the times of Kalyani Chalukyas. Sri Ramalingeshwara temple as such displays great architectural skills and is studied by the students of engineering as well as arts to understand the mechanism and skills involved in the construction many centuries ago. It speaks of the importance given by the Chalukyas to the culture and heritage as well as craftsmanship. Telangana state having such wonderful ancient, medieval and modern temples which will show the culture and heritage is in the need of reconstructing the history of temples and bringing back the glorious importance of the history and conserving our culture and heritage.